Hello everyone, this is your Weather on the Fly tropical update for Wednesday, November 6, 2024. Rafael expected to become a major hurricane before landfall in western Cuba. Life-threatening storms surge, damaging hurricane-force winds, and flash flooding expected in portions of western Cuba. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the center of Hurricane Rafael was located near latitude 21.4 north, longitude 81.9 west. Rafael is moving toward the northwest near 14 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 110 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is 960 millibars. Hurricane-force winds extend outward up to 15 miles from the center, and tropical storm-force winds extend outward up to 115 miles. The satellite presentation of Rafael has continued to improve this morning, with the eye becoming apparent in geostationary imagery. Rafael will remain in a favorable environment for strengthening while it approaches western Cuba. The hurricane will be traversing warm waters and remain in light to moderate vertical wind shear conditions. The apparent beginning of an eyewall replacement cycle could ease the recent rate of rapid intensification, but it appears very likely that Rafael will become a major hurricane before it makes landfall in western Cuba later today. Some weakening is forecast when the storm crosses Cuba, but Rafael is likely to remain a hurricane over the southeastern and southern Gulf of Mexico during the next few days. After that time, increasing southwesterly shear and significantly drier air are likely to result in weakening. However, a more southerly track over the Gulf could result in less hostile conditions. Rafael should continue to move around the southwestern side of a mid-level high-pressure ridge over the southwestern Atlantic. The ridge is forecast to build westward over the eastern Gulf of Mexico during the next couple of days, which is expected to cause Rafael to turn more westward over the southern Gulf of Mexico. Much of the guidance now suggests that the ridge will remain to the north of the system through much of the forecast period. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for the latest National Hurricane Center updates.